English is not just a language, it is a global voice. It is the language that connects people from different countries, cultures, and dreams. When you learn English, you are not only learning words, you are opening the door to a bigger world. English is beautiful because it is simple, flexible, and full of life. You don't need to be perfect to speak it. Even small words can create big connections. With English, you can travel, study, work, and make friends anywhere in the world. This language gives you confidence. It helps you express your thoughts, share your ideas, and believe in yourself. It turns silence into a voice and fear into courage. English is also important because it is the language of opportunity. It is used in education, business, technology, and social media across the globe. Knowing English means you are never alone. You are part of a global family, no matter your age, background, or level. English welcomes everyone. It grows with you and supports your dreams. So, start today. Speak without fear. Learn English and change your world.